Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making crispy kebab, half kg potato, and 3 eggs, 1 cup water, 3 bread pieces. Extract the water from the bread. Add mashed potato. Add boiled eggs. One finely chopped onion. Ginger powder. Black pepper. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, coriander leaves, and green chili. Now mix all the ingredients. Corn flour. Apply a cooking all in your hands. Now make the kebab. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Now fry the kebab. Like, share, and comment. Now serve it on the plate. Kebab is ready. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.